Hello and welcome. My name is Avi Charney, the founder of Charney Legal. We're a law firm based out of Toronto, Canada, and serving clients throughout Ontario. The main things we do here are estates and real estate transactions, mostly residential. When people are buying property, they have to decide how they want to hold title. I'll show you behind the scenes over here. This is the actual website we go to register transfers. And in a transfer, you have the transferee, the purchaser, the buyer, and you have to determine how they're going to hold title. The simplest way is registered owner. They're going to be the one single owner. But when there's two or more people, right, that you have to determine, the main ones are joint tenants and tenants in common. I'm going to explain to you the main differences between the two. Joint tenants, there's a right of survivorship. What does that mean? This is joint tenants. They live in a house together. What is a right of survivorship? Means that when one of them passes away, this one is now passed, the remaining joint tenant becomes the owner of the property by right of survivorship. That's joint tenants. So as you could imagine, joint tenants are often and mostly used with spouses so that the ownership can transfer to the other spouse easily, automatically. Now, if you want to get advanced, people use joint tenancy for estate planning tools and other such things, which again allows for the easy transfer of property from one owner to the other. With tenants in common, however, the situation is a little bit different. These are tenants in common. Tenants in common each own a 50% share. When one of the tenants in common pass away, their 50% share goes to their estate according to their will or the laws of intestacy. The remaining owner continues to own their 50% share. Now, tenants in common can be divided even further, another 25% here, another 25% here. Whatever the division is, the distribution is, that share, that percentage gets maintained in the estate in tenants in common. You own your percentage. Now, there's a lot more to it. Joint tenants, because of that easy transfer, can be severed quite easily. It requires the 4 unities, which I'll post down below. As a first step, though, it's important to understand the major differences between these two methods of holding title: joint tenancy and tenancy in common. If you happen to be purchasing a property and need to discuss this further, need further advice on how you want to hold title to your property, you can feel free to reach out. Happy to help you close your real estate transaction and help you move into your new home. Till then, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.